Ready to turn your podcast passion into profit? Today, we're diving into how to host subscription-only content on Buzzsprout, allowing you to offer premium experiences and build a loyal, paying audience. First, log into your Buzzsprout account. Next, navigate to the Podcast Subscriptions tab, typically found in your account settings or monetization section. It might also be called memberships or something similar. Now, it's time to set up your subscription tiers. Decide what exclusive content you want to offer at each level. This could be bonus episodes, ad-free listening, early access, or even behind-the-scenes interviews. Define your pricing for each tier. Consider what your audience is willing to pay for the value you're providing. When uploading a new episode, look for the option to make it subscriber only. This will gate the content, meaning only paying subscribers will have access. You can usually find this setting in the episode details or publishing options. Finally, Buzzsprout will provide you with a special RSS feed link to distribute to your subscribers. Share this link with your paying members, and they can add it to their favorite podcast app, unlocking all the exclusive content. And that's it. You're now equipped to monetize your podcast with Buzzsprout's subscription feature, creating a sustainable revenue stream and rewarding your most dedicated listeners. Start building your exclusive content library today.